Welcome back, Facebook users. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to receive notifications by SMS for activity from pages you follow on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon from the top right corner. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots. Step 4. Click on Notification Settings. Step 5. Click on Pages You Follow to open it. This section allows you to manage notifications specifically for the pages you follow. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to SMS. Make sure you also toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook, under These are notifications about activity in pages that you follow. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can receive notifications by SMS for activity from the pages you follow on Facebook. Stay connected and up to date on the go. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Start receiving SMS notifications on Facebook today.